Cologne Cathedral, or Kölner Dom in German, stands as a magnificent masterpiece of Gothic architecture and an iconic symbol of Cologne, Germany. This towering cathedral, located on the banks of the Rhine River, is not only a religious site but also a cultural landmark that attracts millions of visitors from around the world. The cathedral's sheer size and intricate design are awe-inspiring. Its soaring twin spires, reaching heights of 157 meters, 515 feet, dominate the city's skyline and serve as a testament to the architectural and engineering brilliance of the Middle Ages. The facade is adorned with ornate sculptures and intricate stone carvings that depict scenes from the Bible, saints, and various religious figures. Stepping inside the cathedral, visitors are greeted by a sense of grandeur and spirituality. The interior features a nave with lofty ceilings, intricate stained glass windows, and a sense of verticality that evokes a feeling of reaching towards the heavens. The Shrine of the Three Kings, believed to hold the remains of the three wise men, is a revered relic that draws pilgrims and worshippers. Cologne Cathedral's South Tower houses a spiral staircase leading to a platform that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Rhine River. The climb is a rewarding experience that allows visitors to appreciate the intricate details of the architecture up close while also enjoying the sweeping vistas. The cathedral's rich history and significance are brought to life through guided tours and multimedia exhibitions. Visitors can learn about the construction process, the artistic influences, and the cathedral's role in Cologne's cultural and religious heritage. The cathedral's role in Cologne's cultural and religious life is highlighted during its annual events, such as the Kölner Lichter, a spectacular fireworks display that illuminates the night sky above the cathedral and the Rhine River. Cologne Cathedral's central location makes it a gateway to the city's vibrant atmosphere. The surrounding area offers charming streets, traditional German pubs, and cultural attractions such as museums, galleries, and historic landmarks. Cologne Cathedral's enduring appeal extends beyond its religious significance to capture the hearts of art enthusiasts, history buffs, and those seeking architectural marvels. Its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, its profound symbolism, and its impressive scale make it a must-visit destination that invites travelers to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Cologne's history, culture, and spiritual heritage.